We want to thank all of our wonderful customers who have made Klahanie Chevron their place for all kinds of routine services. Oil changes, brake repair, coolant flushes, new tires, new batteries, and general repair provided by our ASE certified technicians. Here at Klahanie Chevron, we do it all. We have 5 service bays and technicians on duty 6 days a week. See you soon.
The 30, 60, 90 mile service schedule is often referred to as the most important and beneficial car maintenance strategy. Each service will consist of various maintenance items that saves time and money in the long run. MyDriver'sEdge.com gives a list of what systems and items usually need checking or changing, varying per vehicle and per mileage interval. Oil change, 4-wheel tire rotation and computer spin balance, inspection and replacement of filters. Perform general visual inspection of vehicle's parts and systems, tires, wheels, brakes, and lights, for example. Replacement of certain fluids, a vehicle road test, and for ones with higher mileage, spark plugs, timing belts, just to name a few. Some issues need to be addressed beyond the 90,000 mile mark, perhaps at the 120,000 mile check, including the timing belt. Keep in mind that what service is required on your car or truck is influenced by the vehicle's repair and maintenance history and become more common with increased miles and type of usage. Scheduled service checks are the car manufacturer's best recommendation for maintaining your vehicle's performance and reliability. Get it checked. Schedule an appointment with us today.
For gas, diesel, and ASE certified auto technicians, come to Klahanie Chevron. Thank you for watching.